12 months ago, I spent £4,000 on grey market camera gear from Cotswold Cameras. Since then, I've had a ton of comments asking if I had any issues with the equipment or any regrets. So here is the 1 year update. The original video is in the top right now. Pause this and check that out first if you haven't already. Link is also in the description. One last thing, this video is not sponsored and all opinions are my own. So the TLDR version is that I wanted to upgrade from my Canon 6D and 6D Mark II, and I've been saving for some time. Every week or so I would check online in case a sale was on, and that's where I discovered Cotswold Cameras. After some research and messaging the company, I purchased the R6 Mark II, the 24-105 f2.8 USM Z lens. The total savings was £2,500. So what's the verdict after 1 year? To be honest, I've got zero complaints. I've been using the camera almost every day for over a year on commercial work, portraits, travel. It hasn't missed a beat. Batteries have stayed strong, the UV filter was definitely worth it and has kept my lens scratch free. No software issues with the camera body, and the 24-105 f2.8 is the GOAT of lenses. As you can see in these shots, it does such a great job in almost any environment, and I still stand by my controversial opinion that prime lenses are inferior. It is weighty and cumbersome at times, but I am really glad that I didn't go for the F4 version. Can't comment on the warranty side of things as I haven't had the need to use it, but looking at the comments on my previous video, Cotswold Cameras and other grey market sellers seem to be pretty on it. The real test on my Canon R6 Mk2 was in Iceland in March, and it stood up to the freezing temperatures, changeable weather and epic waterfalls. Special mention to the 4K video on the R6 Mark II. These clips are shot in auto because I am an amateur when it comes to video mode, but they look beautiful. It sends a shiver through me to think I could have spent another £2,500 on the same gear. To be honest, after a few months of nervousness, I forgot about the fact the camera was even from the grey market. It is a risk, and as I said in my previous video, it's important to do your own research and check out other customers' experiences. Personally, I will stick with Cotswold Cameras for future purchases. I did use Paramos once over a decade ago for my 70-200 f2.8 EF lens. I didn't realise they were grey market sellers at the time. I just saw a bargain. It was shipped and delivered from Hong Kong to the UK in 5 days. That's pretty much it, short and sweet. Let me know in the comments if you purchased grey market products or if you're considering it. Any questions, let me know. If you love a prime lens, sorry, but you are wrong. Much love, catch you on the next one.